How to see your billing address on Cash App. To view your billing address on Cash App, you can edit your personal information in the app. For this, just launch Cash App and make sure that you are signed into your account. From your Account tab, tap on the profile icon located at the top right hand side of the screen. Then from there you will set this option. Under Account Settings, you will find the option called Personal. Tap on Personal and here you will be able to find all of your addresses, the billing info and everything that you have added. Now you can also access your account statements online to view your billing address. You can go to cash.app/account from your browser, click on Documents, then Account Statements, and from there you should be able to open a statement where you'll be able to find your billing address. This way you'll be able to find your billing address on Cash App. I hope that this video really helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.